Hello everyone, MUZAMIL here. My voice is a little bit low because I have flu right now, but I'm making this video anyways. Infinix is stirring up the smartphone arena with the upcoming Note series. The long-awaited Infinix Note 40 and Note 40 Pro have recently appeared on the Google Play console platform, offering enthusiasts a quick look into both their spec sheets and designs. The Google Play console listing have spilled the beans on some exciting details. The base Note 40, following its previous certification, carries the model number X6853. Meanwhile, the Pro variant had already earned its stripes with NBTC and Bluetooth SIG certifications, showing the X6850 series code with Bluetooth 5.3 support. One exciting revelation is that both models in Infinix Note 40 series will debut with the latest Android 40 operating system right out of the box, promising users a taste of latest Google software features. Under the hood of Infinix Note, latest mobiles features the MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, offering a smooth and reliable performance. The chipset is crafted on the efficient 6nm process and provides 4G connectivity. Complementing its processor, users can expect multiple variants with at least one supporting 8 GB of RAM. The display is another focal point of as both devices fluent 3436x by 1080 pixels resolutions and an impressive pixel density of 480 ppi. Rendering shared on the Google Play console indicates a sleek central aligned punch hole cut out for the selfie camera. The design details emerge further, showcasing volume rockers and power buttons on the right side, while the rear panel house of triple camera setup. An additional nugget of information comes from the FCC, confirming the support for 5-volt wireless charging for the vanilla Note 40. Moreover, the FCC documents unveil the 4050 XSB model number, confirming 45-watt weird fast charging capacity. Note 14 will likely boast a slim 8mm body, adding to its aesthetic appeals. With these impressive stats, the Infinix Note 40 series may significantly impact the smartphone arena. So it was all about today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.